National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, east central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Minooka to near Marseilles, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Minooka around 3:20 p.m. Morris around 3:25 p.m. Channahon around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Platteville and Lisbon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.